Hello friends, welcome back to another video. Guys, today in this video I am going to teach you how to open Paint using run command in PC or laptop. It's guys very easy and very simple method to open Paint using run command. It's guys very easy and very simple method. Guys, if you are new in my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's start our video. First, press and hold window key in your keyboard, then press R and you can see this type of interface you can see in your desktop, and here you type MS Paint, then click on this OK. Here you can see this type of interface you can see now. MS Paint is open. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.